and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do, I don't know if I'm gonna call it a hair tutorial because it's not, I don't know if it's a tutorial. It's just basically what I do to kind of refresh, restyle, and volumize my bed head, because this is usually what I look like when I wake up in the morning. The hair, not the face. This is basically how I style my hair like 90% of the time, and because I have color treated hair and I have a fashion color in my hair being this purple, I don't really like to wash my hair a lot because I'm trying to prolong the color. If you have colorful hair, or if you've ever had colorful hair, you know that is a lot of upkeep, and every time you wash your hair, you just see your beautiful color running down the drain, or in my case, it gets like stained onto your nails. Again, these nails used to be white and now they're purple. I probably wash my hair twice a week. Again, that doesn't mean I'm not showering, guys. I feel the need to say that because whenever I say that I only wash my hair like twice a week, people are like, oh my God, you're not showering. I'm like, nah, girl, I'm showering. I just like wear a shower cap, or if I don't have a shower cap, you can just put a plastic bag over your head, or sometimes I just put a towel on my head. Anything to not get the hair wet. So I just thought I would show you guys what I normally do since I have to do it anyway. Also, if you guys are feeling this makeup look today, I do have a very similar makeup tutorial that went up, I think last week or the week before that. I will put it in the bottom bar for you guys. It is basically the exact look that I was wearing in the video, except I have a different lid color on, even though it looks the same. Ow. But basically this entire face is already in a video, so I will link it in the bottom bar if you guys want to check that out. So let's get this hair looking a little better than it looks right now. So this is our starting point, this messy ass ponytail, and don't get me wrong, you will catch me in Publix rocking this ponytail, but when I want to look a little more pulled together, I do this. So to start, we're gonna need to brush this hair out. If you have extensions, you know you need to brush them regularly because they do get knotty easily. This is the brush that I use. It's from Marula Oil. It is a wet brush, but it works really good if you have bonded in or tape in hair extensions. This is not gonna pull on your hair. So I just need to brush this out before we do anything else. Okay, not bad after we brush it out, but believe me when I say that it needs some help. I know it's hard to tell when I have this colorful hair, but it is greasy and it definitely needs all the dry shampoo it can get. So my favorite dry shampoo currently is from Moroccan oil, and this is a dark tone dry shampoo. I love it because it doesn't leave like any kind of residue. It actually makes your hair feel more clean, so that's important. You can kind of see a little residue here, but all you need to do is work it in with your hands. This is going to really help absorb the oil, and as you can see, get rid of that little bit of white cast. Now, if you had dark hair, this would not happen to you, but I don't think they make purple dry shampoo. Hey now. After you're all dry shampooed up, you're gonna wanna brush it through again. And now we're going to part our hair. We're just going to part it right down the back of our head into just 2 sections. This is the easiest way I find to curl my hair. This is the Hot Tools curling one I'm going to use. It's extra long, so it's good for long hair. I will have the heat protectant I'm using in the bottom bar. And I'm gonna curl pieces of my hair that are about this size. I'm also going to start a timer because when I curl my own hair, I feel like I do it super duper fast, so I just wanted to see for myself how fast I could actually curl my hair. So this is me setting the stopwatch, and yeah, we're just gonna curl this hair. You can curl it in opposite directions if you want. That's gonna give you like a more separated look, but I just basically curl everything in the same direction, and this is going to give you more of a wave and not a curl because we're just wrapping it around the barrel. And since this wand, well, it's a curling iron, but I'm gonna call it a wand because that's how we're using it. Since it does get so hot, I only have to hold my hair on the barrel for about 3 seconds, which is a definite plus. Oh shit, 4:59. That feels super fast to me. So after we're all curled, I'm just going to brush everything out again. I just like it to be more together instead of, you know, all the way separated. So that's why I brush it through. And this is fine if you want to leave it as is. I mean, this is pretty too, but I like to have a little more volume in the hair. I feel like it makes it last longer so it doesn't look super flat right away. So what I do is just take my brush that I brush my hair with, put it on the inside of my hair, and just kind of back comb it a little bit. You're going to want to hold the ends of your hair pretty tight as you do this, and make sure you're going underneath so it's not like looking super naughty. But if it is looking a little naughty or a little too messy for you, you can go over and just like brush the top lightly to make it look a little more smooth. And look at the difference already. And I back combed it like 3 or 4 times, but volume, no volume, volume. So you can back comb as much as you want, you know, get it as big as you want, but this is pretty good for me. And then I just usually tuck it behind the ear so that it's not like super overpowering to my face. So that is it. That is how I do my hair. It only took me 4 minutes and 59 seconds. It only took me 4 minutes and 59 seconds to curl the hair. Maybe an extra 2 minutes to style it. So 7 minutes to do your hair, I feel like is key. This guy definitely makes a difference in the curling time because I feel like it's so hot. You only have to have your hair on the wand for about 3 seconds and you're good to go. I feel like that's where the majority of curling your hair gets like tedious, is like having to hold your hair there for more than 3 seconds. So 3 seconds, you're good to go, and boom, you are out the door. So that is it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video.